And me and my friend, when I said friend, not close friend or best friend, someone I just met there, me and my friend was a boy, we were sitting together. Listen very carefully. Yeah? We're sitting together. Every time when I say listen very carefully, that doesn't mean that you're not listening carefully. Yeah? You're listening carefully, but I have a habit of saying this, listen very carefully. So we're sitting together, and one girl from the roof, she said, "Excuse me, would you like to come with me to lake?" But there's absolute silence between me and my friend. We started looking towards each other. Why she's asking? The first, no, my friend he's bachelor. He's around 25, 26 years old. So when you are bachelor, when you are 25, 26, your state of mind, your hormonal balance is different. I'm 40, right? I'm married. When you are 40, then your state of mind and your hormonal balance is different. So we listened to her. No, we were listening. And she said, "Arey, I'm speaking to you." She said, she said, "I'm speaking to you. Would you like to come with me to a lake?" Already mountains, no people. It means only you and me. We are going together to a lake. And I decided to take the support of silence. I said, didn't say anything. But my friend said, he's a local guy. He was from Dharamshala only. He said in Hindi, मैं आपको जानता नहीं हूँ. Those people who can't understand Hindi. He said, "I don't know you." He said, "मैं आपको जानता नहीं हूँ. I don't know you." And she said, "Even I don't know you." She said, "Even I don't know you." I was listening to this. Right? I was listening to, and she came down. She came down. And then she asked me, "Are you coming with me?" I said, "No." I said, "I've come all the way from Mumbai. He's a very good friend of mine. I met him last time also. And this time I had certain plans and we are very discussing something very important. So I have a genuine reason of not coming with you because I want to spend time with him. Right? I have limited time. I want to spend time." So I said no. Okay. I looked towards him, my friend. I said, "You take the decision. I am no one. I am no one to take the decision on behalf of you." He said, he looked down, something like this. And he said, "No." He didn't explain. He said, "No." Right? And then girl turned back and then she disappeared from the scene. Correct? We both expressed in this particular situation, listen very carefully, boys and girls, each and every word very carefully. We both expressed in this particular situation based upon the understanding what she said, our individual understanding, right? When she said, "Will you come with me to a lake?" We both expressed, whether we expressed via words or whether we expressed in our mind, we were talking in our mind, but we both expressed based upon the understanding what we have understood when what she said. How many of you agree with this? Click on A. Yes, Praveen. You both express based upon your own understanding, individual's understanding on what she said. Okay. So we have, very rarely we get this. Very rarely. Right? 100% people, very rarely. I've been doing this live webinars or this kind of live webinars since last 2.5 years. We meet 3,000, 4,000 people in Zoom. Very rarely I get 100% people. Or sometimes I feel even if God is coming and if I'm doing AB, a small percentage of people will say, no, not matching my expectation, God, no, not like. So very rarely 100% people click on A. What is the truth? Her name is Vishakha. Beautiful soul. Beautiful soul. What is the truth? I met this girl in the evening. As I told you that I was living in the hostel. And in hostel, you just meet people. You don't have to worry about, you just join the group, join the discussion. I saw that girl. And then we started the conversation. And then she said, Praveen, I'm the community manager of this property. It's my responsibility to take the guest to the lake. It's my responsibility. That's a part of my job. That's a part of my job to take guests to the lake. I get salary for that. Right? That's my job. Correct? Now, the fundamental question which you have to ask here is, when we express, it means we are a part of a conversation. If I'm expressing, it means there are two people. It implies there are two people, right? Or more than two people. You, doesn't matter whether you are speaking in front of 10, but at least there has to be someone. Okay? You, even if you have the command on your language, I'm not denying the importance of command. Even if you have command on the language, but unless and until you're not understanding the feeling behind, I said feelings, not words, huh? The feeling behind the words which are coming from the other person, unless and until you don't understand the feeling behind those words, the reason behind those words, whatever you're saying is meaningless, because you are reacting or responding to that as per your understanding, which not necessarily the same understanding of the speaker. So when your parents are speaking to you and when you are answering, not necessarily you are answering the question which they are asking. You might be answering something else. They are asking something else.